Now today I have this iPhone 6s Plus. Yep, 6s Plus. And it has a cracked screen, right? And now I'm going to be repairing that today. So, I have this display. I'm going to need to transfer the camera and stuff over. Alright. So, it's turned off, sure is. Let's unscrew the two bottom screws. Now the story about this phone, well, it's iCloud locked, but the guy that's using it doesn't care. I don't know how he actually got the device. And, well, he was like, hey man, can you do this for me? And I was like, yeah, sure. So, I open this up. Alright. There is a fingerprint on the camera lens. Huh. That's interesting, right there. There's also fingerprints on the speaker and stuff. That's interesting right there. Alright. I'm going to unscrew those two screws, take this off. Alright. That seemed to... Alright, there we go. Got that. Now, let's get this, these... How many are these? 2, 4, 5 screws out at the top here. So something pretty funny is this top screw, I didn't even unscrew it and it just pretty much came off. Alright. I can almost bet someone's been inside this phone before. Well, it's obvious because the fingerprints and everything. Let's unplug these right here and there we go. So, let's see, I got this new display, this old one. Tell you what, I'm going to transfer everything over from this one to this new one off camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew these screws, screw those, put it on there, put the home button on there, you know, all that good stuff. Alright, I got everything off. Now, let's take this panel off, and that really just fell off. Alright, let's get the camera and everything. There's a speaker. Here, I'll do this off camera. Alright, I got everything transferred over. Now, all that's left is to, actually, is there any, it's like, residue on the sides here. I should probably, you know, get that off. Yeah, I'll do that. Alright, I got all of the residue off. Now, all that's left... Well, this is not the actual last step. That would be putting in the panels and everything. This doesn't want to plug in, does it? Oh, there we go. Alright, let's get this. That doesn't look like it's on. Maybe it is. It's just it might not look like it. Right. Let's see, does it turn on? Yes or no? Wow. Okay, I wasn't expecting that because this like connector is all not centered. Huh. Alright then. So, hold on. Did you see that? It was a black startup screen, and then... Hold on, this isn't the right logic board for this phone. Huh. That's interesting right there. Right. Alright. Let's just get that off. Yep. It says unable to activate Touch ID. Huh. Wonder if that always was a thing. Doesn't want me to view it. Okay, then. Well, alright, that's about it. That's just great. Actually, while I was putting the screws back in, I thought, due to the fact that the startup screen was black and the home button is white, there's absolutely no way that that home button can be the original home button that came with this logic board. Yeah. So that's pretty great.